Understanding ovulation is key when trying to conceive. It's the time when an ovary releases an egg, ready for fertilization. Knowing your ovulation window, those few fertile days each month, increases your chances of getting pregnant. This essay will guide you through the how-tos of identifying this crucial period. Think of your menstrual cycle as a monthly rhythm, typically lasting 28 days, but it can vary between women. Some women may have cycles as short as 21 days, while others may experience cycles that extend up to 35 days. This natural variation is completely normal and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including stress, diet, and overall health. It begins on the first day of your period and ends the day before your next period starts. This marks the beginning of a new cycle, a fresh start for your body each month. The first few days of your period can often be accompanied by symptoms like cramps, bloating, and mood swings, which are all part of the body's natural process. The cycle is divided into two main phases, the follicular phase and the luteal phase. The follicular phase starts from the first day of your period and continues until ovulation. During this time, your body is working hard to prepare for the possibility of pregnancy. Ovulation happens between these phases. Typically, ovulation occurs around the midpoint of your cycle, about 14 days before your next period. This is when an egg is released from one of your ovaries and is available for fertilization. During the follicular phase, the body prepares an egg for release. Hormones like estrogen play a crucial role in this process, helping to thicken the lining of the uterus in preparation for a potential pregnancy. After ovulation, in the luteal phase, the body prepares for a possible pregnancy. The hormone progesterone helps maintain the thickened uterine lining, creating a supportive environment for a fertilized egg to implant and grow. Understanding this cycle is the foundation for predicting your fertile window. This is the time when you are most likely to conceive if you are trying to get pregnant. Knowing the signs of ovulation, such as changes in cervical mucus and slight increases in basal body temperature, can help you identify this window. Knowing how long your typical cycle is can help you predict when you might ovulate. By keeping track of your cycle over several months, you can start to see patterns and better understand your body's unique rhythm. Tracking your cycle for a few months can give you a better understanding of your body's rhythm. This information can be invaluable whether you are trying to conceive, avoid pregnancy, or simply want to be more in tune with your body. There are many tools available, from traditional calendars to modern apps, that can help you keep track of your menstrual cycle with ease. The calendar method is a simple way to estimate your ovulation window. It involves tracking your menstrual cycle for several months to identify patterns. This helps you predict the days you're most likely to be fertile. Start by noting the first day of your period for several consecutive months. Count the total number of days in each cycle. Ovulation usually occurs about 14 days before your next expected period. For example, if your cycle is 28 days, you're likely to ovulate around day 14. Remember, this is just an estimate. The calendar method is most effective when your cycles are regular. It's best used in conjunction with other methods for more accurate ovulation prediction. Your body provides several clues leading up to ovulation. Paying attention to these subtle shifts can help you pinpoint your fertile window with greater accuracy. Charting these signs combines the calendar method with physical observations. One of the most evident changes is in your cervical mucus. As you approach ovulation, your cervix produces more mucus, becoming clear, slippery, and stretchy, resembling raw egg whites. This change in consistency facilitates sperm travel. Another noticeable change is in your basal body temperature, which we will discuss in detail in the next section. Additionally, some women experience Mittelschmerz, a mild, one-sided pain or cramping in the lower abdomen around the time of ovulation. Basal body temperature, or BBT, is your lowest body temperature at rest. This temperature is typically measured right after waking up, before any physical activity can influence it. Charting your BBT throughout your cycle can help you identify the day you ovulated. By consistently recording your temperature, you can observe patterns and fluctuations that indicate hormonal changes in your body. This method requires taking your temperature every morning before getting out of bed, using a BBT thermometer. It's important to use the same thermometer and take the temperature at the same time each day for accuracy, and recording it on a chart. This chart becomes a visual representation of your cycle, helping you to see the subtle changes that occur. Your BBT slightly dips just before ovulation. This dip is often subtle, but can be a key indicator that your body is preparing to release an egg, and rises noticeably after the egg is released. This rise is usually about 0.5 to 1 degree Fahrenheit and signifies that ovulation has occurred. This rise is due to the hormone progesterone produced after ovulation. Progesterone causes the body temperature to increase, maintaining a warmer environment for a potential pregnancy. By tracking your BBT daily, you can pinpoint the day your temperature shifts, indicating ovulation has occurred. This information can be invaluable for those trying to conceive or avoid pregnancy. While BBT charting can be a reliable indicator of ovulation, it requires diligence in daily tracking. Missing a day or taking your temperature at different times can lead to inaccurate readings. It requires diligence in daily tracking. Consistency is key to getting accurate and useful data from your BBT chart. It's best to use this method in conjunction with other ovulation prediction techniques for optimal results. Combining BBT charting with ovulation predictor kits or fertility monitors can provide a more comprehensive understanding of your cycle, increasing the chances of accurately identifying your fertile window. Section 6. Ovulation Predictor Kits. Accuracy at your fingertips. Ovulation Predictor Kits, or OPKs, offer a convenient and accurate way to predict ovulation. These kits have revolutionized the way individuals track their fertility, providing a simple yet effective method to understand their ovulation cycle. Available over the counter, these kits detect the surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH, in your urine, which happens 24 to 36 hours before ovulation. This surge is a key indicator that your body is preparing to release an egg, making it the optimal time for conception. Using an OPK is similar to taking a pregnancy test. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to be easily integrated into your daily routine without any hassle. You'll urinate on a test stick, and the kit will indicate whether an LH surge is detected. The results are typically displayed within a few minutes, allowing you to quickly determine your fertility status. A positive result signals that ovulation is imminent, increasing your chances of conception if you're trying to get pregnant. This can be a moment of joy and anticipation, especially for couples who have been planning for a baby. While OPKs are highly accurate, they can be costly if used over an extended period. It's important to consider the financial aspect, especially if you need to use them for several months. They are most beneficial when you are actively trying to conceive and want to pinpoint your most fertile window. By using OPKs, you can better plan and increase your chances of successful conception, making the journey to parenthood a bit smoother and more predictable. With a variety of brands and types available, it's essential to choose an OPK that fits your needs and budget. Some kits offer digital readouts, while others use simple lines to indicate results. Consulting with a healthcare provider can also provide additional insights and recommendations tailored to your specific situation. They can help you understand how to use the kits effectively and interpret the results accurately. Ultimately, ovulation predictor kits are a valuable tool in the journey of conception, offering accuracy and convenience at your fingertips. By understanding and utilizing these kits, you can take control of your fertility and increase your chances of achieving your dream of starting or expanding your family. Section 7. Common misconceptions about ovulation. Several misconceptions surround ovulation, often leading to confusion and miscalculations. One common myth is that all women ovulate on day 14 of their cycle. While true for some, cycle lengths vary greatly, and ovulation can occur earlier or later depending on individual factors. Another misconception is that you can get pregnant only on the day of ovulation. While the egg has the highest chance of fertilization on ovulation day, sperm can survive in the female reproductive tract for several days. This means you can get pregnant from intercourse that occurs several days before ovulation. Understanding these misconceptions and relying on accurate information and tracking methods is crucial for effectively planning your family. Section 8. Benefits of charting your cycle. Charting your cycle, including tracking ovulation, offers several benefits beyond conception. It improves your awareness of your body's natural rhythms and helps you understand the changes throughout your menstrual cycle. This awareness can empower you to manage your reproductive health more effectively. By tracking your cycle and observing any irregularities, you can identify potential underlying health conditions. For instance, irregular cycles or anovulation, which is a lack of ovulation, could indicate hormonal imbalances or other medical issues that require attention. Furthermore, understanding your cycle can help you plan or prevent pregnancy naturally, providing a deeper understanding of your body's fertility signs. This knowledge can be empowering and enhance your overall well-being. Section 9. Conclusion. Empowering your journey to conception. Accurately calculating your ovulation days is crucial for anyone trying to conceive, offering a targeted approach to increase the chances of pregnancy. By understanding your menstrual cycle, utilizing various tracking methods, and dispelling common misconceptions, you can gain valuable insights into your body's fertile window. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and your cycle may differ from others. Be patient, be observant, and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you have concerns or difficulties tracking your ovulation. With dedication and accurate information, you can navigate your fertility journey with confidence and achieve your family planning goals.